In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your profile link on eBay. Whether you're looking to share your profile with potential buyers, friends, or for personal use, accessing your eBay profile link is a straightforward process. Let's go through it step by step to ensure you can easily navigate to the link and copy it without a hitch. To begin, you need to log into your eBay account. Open your preferred web browser and head to eBay's website. At the top right corner of the page, you'll find the login option. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, the email or username associated with your eBay account, and your password. Once you're logged in, you should see your name at the top of the page indicating you're successfully signed in. Next, move your cursor to hover over your name located in the top left corner of the screen. This action will display a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. It's important not to click immediately, but rather to let your mouse linger over your name to reveal these options. Now from the drop down that appears, you'll want to click on either your profile picture or your username. This is crucial as it directs you to a more detailed view of your account, namely your profile page. Your profile picture and username are usually located right there, easy to spot, so make sure to click on one of them. Once you click, you'll be navigated to your public profile page. This page is what others can view when they access your profile, showing your recent activities, feedback, and other bits of information you have chosen to display publicly. It's your public persona on eBay, and having the correct link to it can be particularly useful. Finally, direct your attention to the browser's address bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the URL of your public profile page. Simply highlight the entire URL by clicking once on the address bar, which should automatically select the whole link. Then right-click to open the context menu and choose the copy option. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut command Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac to copy the link to your clipboard. There you have it, a seamless way to locate and copy your eBay profile link. By following these steps, you can effortlessly share your profile with anyone you choose. Whether it's needed for enhancing communication or for professional networking, having your profile link readily available is always a beneficial tool. Don't forget, if you ever need to revisit these steps, this video is here for guidance. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.